Hello everyone, we are going to study about spherical mirror. So what is spherical mirror? Spherical mirror is a kind of mirror whose smooth polished surface, reflecting surface is curved surface. So basically the reflecting surface of a mirror is curved surface. Those kind of mirror are spherical mirror. So what are those spherical mirror? Basically there are two types of spherical mirror. Those are concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror, in which the curved reflecting surface is curved inward. Okay, the concave mirror is having the reflected surface curved inward, and in convex mirror the curved reflecting surface is curved outward. We can understand it better by using a spoon. In this spoon you can see this curved surface is inward, so a kind of mirror in which curved reflecting surface is inward, such kind of mirror is called concave mirror. And the kind of mirror in which the curved reflecting surface is curved outward, the polished reflecting surface is curved outward, such kind of mirror is called convex mirror. So convex mirror outward, bulging outward, concave mirror bulging, it is polished surfaces inward, not outward. Okay, and even in a new spoon you can see your image as well. The image is also formed in a new spoon. And when we understand better how image is formed in a concave mirror and convex mirror, then I will tell you to use a spoon to do the activity to see the image how it is formed in a concave mirror or convex mirror. Before that, let us know about the different points, different terms related with such kind of mirror. So there is a principal axis, an imaginary line, and this that passes from the center, the imaginary center of a sphere. We have to imagine such kind of mirror in the form of sphere, and the center part of the sphere is called center of curvature, and the center of curvature of that sphere where that line meet on the surface of mirror, that point is called pole P. Okay, and an imaginary line that passes from the center of curvature and joins to the pole, that line is called principal axis. Okay, principal axis that joins C and P. Principal focus is the point where all the but before understanding principal focus we have to understand how light rays are reflected. So the light rays which falls on mirror, if it is parallel to the principal axis, then it falls down in a pattern. That reflects in a way, in a pattern way. So if we take an example of concave mirror, then those reflected rays meet on a point on the principal axis. Meet in a point on principal axis. That point is called principal focus. So in a concave mirror, where all the reflected rays are meet at a certain point on principal axis, that point is called focus. And the distance between this focus and pole of the mirror is called focal length. Okay, so in concave mirror the reflected rays meets at a certain point on principal axis, that is called focus. So such kind of focus is called real focus, and such kind of mirror is called converging mirror. That means all the reflected rays are converging at a certain point, meeting at a certain point. Okay, clear? Now next one, convex mirror. Terms are same. There is principal focus as well as pole, center of curvature, and principal axis. So same terms are there. Center of curvature, if we draw a circle, if we imagine about a sphere, Then the center point is called center of curvature, where that joins that center of curvature joins on the reflecting surface. That point is called pole, and the line that joins C and P is called principal axis, and distance between pole and the. Now we have to discuss first how reflected rays meet here. In the convex mirror, actually the light rays are reflected. The light ray which are falling on the convex mirror on its smooth surface, which are passing parallel to the principal axis, that also reflected back. But in this mirror, the light rays are bounces back in a different way. It do not converge at a certain point, but it diverge. It diverge and do not meet actually, but it appears like it is meeting at the some point behind the mirror. So that point where these reflected rays are appear to meet in a convex mirror is called a virtual focus of convex mirror. Okay, and this distance between P and F is called focal length. So we have discussed most of the points: center of curvature, pole, principal axis, principal focus, and focal length. Now, how we can imagine, how we can know where is the center of curvature? So, if we draw a circle, imaginary circle, by using this piece of mirror, then we can get this kind of structure. Then the center point of this is called center of curvature. So basically the center of curvature is the center of sphere, imaginary center of sphere. Okay, so this is somehow here center of curvature, and the line that joins the pole and center of curvature is called principal axis, and focus is the converging point where reflected rays meet in concave mirror. Now look at the convex mirror. Here also we can draw a circle, imaginary circle, by dotted line. Okay, so after drawing this, we can get a center point. This center point is called center of curvature, and the point where the reflected rays appears to meet, that point is called principal focus, and the line that joins the pole and center of curvature, that is called principal axis, and distance is called focal length. So these are the terms which are used in convex and concave mirror. In convex mirror, the reflected rays do not meet actually, it appears to meet at a certain point. So the image formation will be virtual. And because the reflected rays are divergent, so such kind of mirror is called diverging mirror. Okay. Now, let us discuss about this concave mirror forms real image. Why it forms real image? Because its reflected rays actually meet at a certain point on principal axis. That is why the image formed in this is called real image and formed on a screen. We'll see how image is formed in converging mirror in next video. Till that, you look at the screen.